Hey, big man. Is Miss Makima, like, single, or... Do you know? Hey! Come with me. Yeah, you really should quit. Show up tomorrow and I'll kick your ass again. What's your problem? Just that my kindness seems a bit wasted on you. People who don't knuckle down and wise up to this job die. Every associate I've met who got into double hunting for the paycheck is pushing up daisies now. And that's not an exaggeration. The only ones who will survive are those with strong convictions at their core. Let me guess. Makima's the sole reason you're here. Am I right? Bingo! Then I'm glad I beat the crap out of you. I'll do you a favor and tell you ran away, terrified by the devils that would have ended you. I thought you were full of it when you said you wasted kindness on me. But you were nice! And when I fight again, it's nuts! Nothing! Okay, so I had some udon for the first time ever today. I also ate a sausage. Another first for me was being treated like a freaking human being. Someone even paid for my meal. I'm almost afraid I'm gonna wake up from this dream. So what if I didn't think it through when I agreed to this gig? I would die to keep this life. Understand me? Well, maybe I'm not okay with dying. It's not just my life anymore. Yeah, you are dreaming. You see, a woman like Makima is way too good for a fuck like you. Huh? What the hell? Bet you're just saying that because you want her for yourself, huh? You weren't joking. Just one for the balls. Nothing else. All balls. Damn it. A Testicle Devil appeared and went apeshit on his nutsack, ma'am. No, he's lying. He made that entire thing up.